If you have a house in Strongsville, Ohio that you're looking to sell fast, easily, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Strongsville, Ohio. And in this video, I'm going to share with you why so many people, so many sellers in Strongsville prefer to work with us as a direct buyer rather than selling the traditional way using a real estate agent and then using a buyer who's got to qualify for some mortgage or use some lender. So we're going to keep it very easy for you. When you work with us, we're going to buy your house in its as-is condition. And that means you don't got to fix anything or clean anything or haul anything away, and that means no trips to the Home Depot, no money out of your pocket. You don't got to pull out the broom and the mop, you don't got to clean out the garage, you don't have to do anything to the house whatsoever, and you don't got to haul anything away. So you could take anything you want out of the house, anything you don't want or don't need, you can just leave behind and we'll take care of it for you. And what allows us to buy these houses as is and keep it simple for you is we don't have to qualify for a mortgage. We're going to buy the house for cash. See, when you're working with a traditional buyer who's working with a traditional lender, well, they got to qualify for this thing. And you know what that traditional lender is going to do? They're going to send through some inspector who's intrusively going to come in the house, test every single outlet, test every single light switch, test every ceiling fan. They're going to open and close every door and window. And what they're going to do is compile pages and pages and pages of things that are wrong with the house. And that's going to be used against you. They're going to use that for discounts. They're going to use that for extensions. They're going to waste your time. These are all hoops that need to get jumped through that are unnecessary when you sell to a direct buyer who doesn't need to qualify. We're a cash buyer, so there's no thorough inspection. And then with a traditional buyer, if you survive the inspection, well, it gets worse. Now they're going to send their appraiser through, and the appraiser works directly for the bank. Right? And we all know the bank has their own best interests in mind and not your best interests. They're looking for everything they possibly can find to pull the rug out from under you and get more extensions or get more discounts or just completely kill the deal and waste your time. But it's not just wasting your time, because in real estate, time is money, because every day that goes by that they are wasting your time, right? You're losing money with insurance. You're losing money with utilities. You're losing money with property taxes. You're losing opportunity cost, because this house should have closed a long time ago and you should have got your hands on these proceeds that you're going to go and do what you do with the proceeds of the sale of the house. But now it's all tied up with this nonsense, which is completely unnecessary. So if you are looking to avoid all of this and sell your house in Strongsville to a true local cash buyer, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website because we were founded in Columbus, but I'm born and raised in the Cleveland area and we're very familiar with Cleveland, Ohio real estate and Strongsville houses. So when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and know more about when you want to close this, because the closing date is chosen by you. When you're working with a traditional buyer, the closing is not going to happen until their lender gives it the green light. You're giving away all your control to a traditional buyer. With us, if you want to close quickly, we can make it happen quickly. If you need more time and you want to do something flexible and set a future date, we absolutely could accommodate those needs as well. And we're going to make you a fair cash offer on your Strongsville house. If our offer works for you, great. We'll move forward and keep it simple and keep it easy for you. If our offer doesn't work for you, there's no crime, no foul. There's no bad taste in your mouth. We're never going to apply pressure, fake urgency, sales tactics, nonsense like that. We are local and we're going to treat you like a neighbor and treat you fair, treat you like we would want to be treated. We are not some call center that's in some foreign distant land that's talking about Strongsville houses where they've never even been to Strongsville. Work with people who know what they're talking about, and we have hundreds of testimonials, reviews, and positive references that we can share with you of people just like you who sold, and we made it very easy. So if you have a house in Strongsville and you want to sell fast, easily, and conveniently, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin, and I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.